This is the Vernal standing desk, and spoiler alert, I've really enjoyed using it. Big shout out to Vernal for sending this out for review, and thank you so much for sponsoring the video. So let's get into it. So the Vernal standing desk starts at $429 or £379 here in the UK for the 48-inch by 30-inch option, but you can also get 6% off if you use my exclusive discount code, which I'll leave down below. This specific model that I have is the 71 by 30-inch model, and this is $649 or £469 in the UK. And that's a very, very good price, like very competitive in the market. And this is for the white laminate top, and I've got the black frame as well. It does also come with various other laminate tops, and there's a hardwood top as well. And the frame comes in black and white. I just chose the black and the white because I just like the contrast of it. But yeah, so we do have those various options. Plus you've also got accessories as well that do color match as well with what you get with the desk. Vernal's been kind enough to send me 3, so I'm going to go through those later on in the video. Once you've selected the leg color and the tabletop option that you want, Vernal has very, very clear instructions on how to do all the kind of setup and building for it. Plus, the desk itself has all the holes pre-drilled as well. And they've also sent out the screws, the screwdriver, the Allen key. Everything is in there. You don't need any extra tools that you need to get yourself in order to put the desk together. And it's probably one of the easiest desk setups I've ever done personally. Now, if you are going to get one of the bigger options like this one, I do recommend having someone else there, especially for when you have to turn the desk over, because you have to build it kind of upside down to attach all the legs and everything. And the legs are very heavy, which isn't a negative thing. It's good. It feels like more stable. Talking about the 2 legs on the desk, they each have their own motor in them, and they're very, very smooth as well, like moving up and down. I actually put a glass of water on the top of the desk just to see how much it kind of wobbles, and it barely wobbled. And also with wobbling, when the desk is higher, because obviously as the desk gets higher, then it's going to wobble a bit more. There's actually a bar at the bottom as part of the frame that goes from the leg to leg, which keeps with the stability of the desk. And so if I wobble it, my monitor is actually wobbling more than the desk itself. Another thing as well is that this can actually take 160 kilogram weight. If you do get the L-shaped desk, that can take 180 kilograms, but this particular model is 160. Just throwing out a few numbers as well. The height range is 63.5 centimeters and 128.5 centimeters at its highest, and the lift speed is 38 millimeters per second, which I've not actually had any issues with the lift speed, like in terms of how fast it moves. It's been fine. It's been pretty good, to be honest. It also has object avoidance. Well, not avoidance, but it's like if there's an object underneath the table, then it will know not to keep going down. It will just kind of lift up a little bit just to make sure it doesn't kind of crush that object or whatever, and also you don't damage the kind of controls at the bottom of the desk. The module on here is really nicely made. So you've got up, down, and then you've got those 3 preset buttons. It's really easy to set up. So say for example you want to set your preset, you just set the height that you want, you press M, and then you press the button that you want to be your preset, and that's it, done. And then one of the features I really, really like is the lock. So for anyone out there that has kids, I have a 3-year-old that loves pushing buttons, so you can understand how frustrating that could be with this. It's actually got a lock, so you hold down the up and the M button for 5 seconds, and then it locks it so they can push whatever buttons they want. It's not going to do anything. And then if you want to unlock it, you press the down and M button for 5 seconds, and it unlocks it so you can move the table. So I've really liked that feature. That's coming really, really useful. Now, as I mentioned before, there are 3 accessories that you can choose from, but Vernal actually adds some, I guess, potentially accessories for free. So one of them is like a hook for your headphones. I don't personally need that because I've got a stand for my AirPod Max here. If you do want that, then great. It's built in. And then there's also a cable management tray at the bottom, which is absolutely amazing, and it fits all the cables and all the junk and crap that I have under the desk just to make it look really, really sleek and look basically like it's magically cableless. Now, earlier on I said that Vernal sent me 3 accessories. So that's the V-Series desk shelf here, which comes in 80 centimeters and 120 centimeters. This version here is the 120 centimeters. I like that it sets the monitor height to be at eye level, so I'm not having to look down, which also in turn makes it more comfortable using the keyboard at a decent level for my wrists as well. I'm not a massive fan of the drawer here, which is an okay build quality. It is metal, but I feel like the drawer could be a bit better. It feels a bit like flimsy, like you pull it out too far, it just falls. One thing I do like though is, probably they didn't intend for this, but I don't always like to have my Apple Pencil on my iPad. So I just put it on this tray now because it's metal and it just connects magnetically. And I know that my Apple Pencil's not going to go anywhere. On my previous desk, I just lose it in the mess. Now, my previous desk wasn't actually a proper desk. It was actually a dining table from IKEA because I wanted something that was bigger, and there wasn't a desk that was big enough. So I got that instead, but it was a massive mess and there was everything all over the place, and it just didn't really work. And now Vernal sent this. It's just an absolute game changer for me. I just like how everything is so spread out. It's so minimalist in terms of how I've been able to set everything up. One of the other accessories that I got was the integrated keyboard drawer. Now, this was so easy to build. It literally took no more than 5 minutes. Everything again was in the box. They had pre-drilled holes within the actual desk itself for me to just put this in. And then you've got this front section that you can fold down. This felt bit comes with it as well. And the only issue that I had with this was that the brackets on the side here were a bit stiff at first. I had to kind of like knock this into the bracket a bit more, but now it works fine and it's really smooth, but initially it was a bit stiff. I also like having a place to put my keyboard and trackpad when it's not on the desk, just because when I am doing things like thumbnail design on my iPad, using Procreate, then I just kind of like have it here in like an easel mode, which is really cool. And the final option that I went with was the filing cabinet, which comes in a short or tall size. I've gone with a tall size here, and you've just got this top drawer that I basically just dump some stuff in, like my extras and laptop and stuff like that. And then the bottom drawer has a lock on it, which I keep a lot of my filming gear in. And it's also got wheels as well, which is nice, so it's easy to move around. And just allows me to like clear my desk more, so I've got something to put all my desk rubbish on. So those are the accessories that I got. I do find the accessories are on the more premium side in terms of the price, but at the same time, you are also going to be paying a premium to have everything color matched within Vernal's whole kind of setup. So from my own personal experience using the Vernal standing desk, it's actually been a game changer for me. I usually sit down for hours, like doing video edits and everything, and then I get like a bit fatigued and tired and everything. But now that I've got this desk, I've actually been putting it into like the stand mode when I start to feel tired after sitting down, and I feel more kind of like energized. I know there's loads of benefits to having a standing desk and everything, but I really felt those benefits myself. I felt like I've like been working on my posture a bit more, because sometimes I do kind of hunch on my chair a bit, so standing up has actually helped with that. So I have actually personally felt the benefits of having a standing desk. Maybe thinking of getting like one of those treadmills or something like that for it. I'm not sure yet. Vernal, if you're listening, make a Vernal treadmill for this. That would be a game changer. But yeah, I've really enjoyed it. I personally would highly recommend the Vernal standing desk. Now, if you're on the market for a standing desk or just a desk in general, I think this is really competitively priced. And what you get with that is a really easy to build desk, great build quality, really simple kind of module here for like setting your height adjustments and your presets. You get a lot of space with the desk as well. Plus you've also got the accessories that are color matched as well to the desk, and you can also get the 6% off using my exclusive discount as well on top of that. Thank you so much again to Vernal for sending this out for review and for sponsoring this video. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you loved it, give me a sub. And thank you so much for watching. Peace.